Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. Okay, but before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay. So guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. Okay, the performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so we are starting with the next 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame, and I'm using the 3M train meal card trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Right from this support zone, this actually went into an uptrend, and you can see it breaking out above this particular resistance zone, and of course got to this region, had the pullback and went back up to break out above that also to get to a new resistance zone. If it breaks out above this also, it's going to keep on buying. If it does not, then it will go back on downtrend. However, we need to wait for the necessary signals before we jump into it. But for now, this is still buying. Okay, it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. This had been on downtrend for a while, but after getting to this support zone, it was unable to break out from there, so it started buying. Had a pullback right from here, but went back up, and if it breaks out above this resistance zone, it's going to buy more and may likely get to this region and also this region. Okay, so but if it's unable to break out from here, then it will go back down and may be trying out this particular support region. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, but for now this is still buying. Okay, next asset is going to be Pnex 1200. Let's check it out together. Okay, right from this support region, this actually went on uptrend and broke out above this particular resistance region, got to a new resistance zone, had a pullback, went back up again, and if it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. If it does not, it will go back fully on downtrend. Okay, so this is very important. This is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, next asset is going to be Pnex 999. This is Pnex 999, and this has been on uptrend for a while. It has got into the resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there, and of course this may likely go back on downtrend, but first it is still buying at the moment. It might not be for a very long time in case it's unable to break out above the next resistance zone. So we are most likely to see more of a downtrend right from there if it's unable to um to break out above the resistance zone, but still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above it. Okay, the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This had been on downtrend right from here, and of course it gave us a downtrend signal and a sell signal, and it has been selling since then, and it is still selling. Okay, so this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a follow right now? Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.